Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code Studio. In this video we will see how to create text view with different designing effects. So let us start the video. So first you need to start the Android Studio. Click on Create New Project. Then select Empty Activity and click on Next. Enter a project name, for example TextView Demo. Then select Java language and click on Finish. Then open Layout file or XML file. Remove the default text view from the activity. And replace layout as a linear layout. Add orientation is vertical. Then add a text view. Add layout width and height to the text view. Then add text, for example, this is my first text view. Then size. Color. Style. And alignment. Then go on Design View and add background to the text view and select color as you wish. Then we go back to Code View. And copy the text view and paste it, and edit the same way as first view, and add more to text view by following similar steps.
Audio Jungle. Jungle.
Now we will add gravity attribute to all text views. And we will select the option, Center. Then go to the design view and select different background colors.
Audio Jungle.
Then connect the mobile device and run the app. You can connect your mobile to your PC or laptop using USB cable. Then go to Developer option in Setting and turn on USB debugging. If you want to watch this process, you can check out my previous video. The link is present in description. After successful build, you can see the output.